We just covered a 2D chroma key project, interactive portraits. Now let's look at a project that incorporates 4D, time. This is called animated duct tape murals. The way it works is that a small group will create a mural out of duct tape somewhere on the walls within the school. The catch is that a portion of that duct tape mural will be animated with a video using chroma key compositing. Now that video source could be completely original or appropriated from another source. Now in this example, the mural itself is just duct tape and colored paper if you were to walk by it. But using chroma key compositing, we were able to make this animated change. The student asked the question, "What is your paradise?" And their solution was to create a portal to a beautiful beach when she was feeling confined within the school. Again, the key to this project is thinking about creative portions of a mural that are animated, not the entire wall. Now let's go through the 5 steps for creating an animated duct tape mural. First, students are going to brainstorm mural imagery in small groups. They'll vote on the idea and come to a consensus about one mural image. Students should consider that the mural should be engaging as a standalone duct tape mural, but also as an animated mural using chroma key compositing. They also should at this point find the source video or create the source video for the animated sections. Next, students are going to create the mural itself. You should ask permission before using a wall or ask for forgiveness after making it. That'll be your call. Now students to start can draw directly on the wall lightly with pencil. They can also use a projector to project their original sketch if that's helpful. Once they've penciled the mural, they should decide which areas will be animated using chroma key. This step's important. They need to tape a single color paper directly to the wall. Colored butchered paper works great and is a cheap option. They should cut these paper shapes first and then tape the outlines as they go. Now they can also fill these sections with colored duct tape, but that is much more expensive. Once they've selected the areas that will be animated using a single color, they could fill in non-animated areas with additional colors of paper or tape. Next, they film the mural. Students can use phones or cameras to film their murals. It can be stationary on a tripod or moving and panning. Have students choose the format of the final product. It could be a short video that's multiple seconds long, or it can be a very short animated GIF, utilizing only a couple seconds or a few frames of film. Let's move on to step 4. That's combining your source video with the mural video. Here's where you can use chroma key apps or software to combine those two sources into one. Now the last step is important. You need to find an easy way to share these videos with the viewers in your school. Remember, when they walk by, they'll see the duct tape mural, but they may not necessarily understand that there's an animated portion. One thing you can do is put all of the final videos or GIFs in a public Google Drive folder, or another approved public file sharing service. You could then create a free QR code that links to that folder. This is what I did in my school. Next to each mural was a printed sign that invites mural viewers to scan the code and see all of the animated mural videos. This interactive component is great for getting the attention for your art department from stakeholders in the community. The reason why I love duct tape murals is because it's an exciting way to really energize your students. It gets them out of the classroom and into the hallways. It also promotes the arts within your entire school. And chroma key animation adds an additional layer of intrigue. Students can also share these sophisticated videos and GIFs with their peers. This provides a great opportunity to get student artwork outside of the walls of the school. Now there's a lot of steps, so if you need a refresher, we have a handout for you with the 5 steps for creating an animated duct tape mural. Next, we're going to move on to a new module that takes a deeper dive into augmented reality, including 2 lesson examples that you can use in your classroom.